Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark from Get Knotted Paracord, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these Thinline Mad Max paracord bracelets. So off we go. Right, I've got two bits of paracord here. They're both 6 feet long, one grey, one black, and I fused them together. Right, next thing we're going to do, we're going to measure your wrist. Really easy. Let's get this out of the way. What we're going to do, get your wrist, put it down, and you can't see this very well, but I'm just seeing how long my wrist is. Oh dear, oh dear. Like this. I'm leaving a little bit of a gap, and where the cords join, I'm pinching there, like that. That is where the bracelet will start. And also, you can see that I've put the join about halfway up the bracelet. That is so that you hide the join. Some people like to have the join down here at the end, but I like to hide it inside the bracelet. Okay, next thing we're going to do is start the cobra weave. So what we're going to do, you must have seen this by now, but if you haven't, here we go. The black cord, I always lead with the left hand cord. I don't know why, it's just me. I do it. So I've got my left hand cord, and I go over the top of the middle cords like this. And I know it's shocking, but I am actually using black paracord. It's one of those things that you don't do in a paracord video, use black, because it's hard to see. But I'm going to make this as easy as possible for you. Okay, so I've got my black paracord and I've put it over the two like that, and I get my grey paracord, put it over there, and I'm going behind these two middle cords like that, and I'm going to poke it back through this black loop here like that, put it all the way through. Like that. Trying to keep my thumb where I made that measurement. And now I'm just going to pull them together. Cinch it all up. Like that. And do it as tight as possible. There you go. Next thing we're going to do is going to get the black cord, lay it over the two, over the top of the middle like this. Grey cord goes back over, behind everything, out the other side, like this. But we're not going to tighten it up. We are going to get our highlight cord, which I'm using blue today. And what I'm going to do, let's zoom in a bit for you. What I'm going to do is put the blue cord through the hole there, like this. And stick it out the back about 3 or 4 inches like that. So you need about 18 inches of this highlight cord. Okay, and then you cinch it all together. So just pull it all up, pull the grey, pull the black, cinch it all up together like that. Right, so the next thing we're going to do, we've put our highlight cord through the middle. We're going to put it down the middle, down the middle like that. And we're going to do another cobra weave, as usual. Black goes over the top, all three. The grey cord goes behind and through the hole. Pull it out like that. Pull it all together. Cinch it all up like that. Then you're going to get your blue cord, the highlight cord, whatever you're using, and flip it up like that, and then do the cobra weave again like that, behind everything, through the hole. Out the other side. Cinch everything up nice and tight. Make sure the blue cord is going down the middle. Like that. And then you keep on all the way down to the end of the bracelet. So basically I remember it as, if the black cord is coming out this side, it goes over all three. And if the black cord is coming out this side, it's going under the blue cord. Like that. And you cannot go wrong, really. If you do go wrong, go back, find the fault, and start again. Right, I will see you when I get to the bottom of the bracelet. Right, I've made the bracelet, and as you can see I've got all the way down to the bottom here, like this. Now what I'm going to do is poke the highlight cord using a fid. You don't need to, but you can use a fid or needle nose pliers. I'm going to poke it down through the little loop like that, and then I'm going to bury the cord. I'm going to push with the fid. I'm going to go under a couple of these loops in the pattern, and it's going to come out there. I'm going to do that on both ends. So I'm going to do it on this side, and I'm going to do it on this side. Now it sounds easy to, oh yeah, I'm just going to poke and make a hole so that I can, bury the cord in here. But it's not easy at all. You need one of these knotter's tools or some needle nose pliers to make it easier. Okay, I just thought I would add that hint in for you because it is really hard to do. Right, done that bit. That was a real hard struggle to do that. I used a fid and needle nose pliers to bury the cord in there. What I will end up doing is snipping and singeing about here, like that, on each side, about there, and then I'll just burn it into the bracelet. So that's that part. Now what I'm going to do next is poke the grey and the black through this hole here. So I'm pretty sure the black will just slot straight through. Yes. Try not to twist it. Oh. Hang on. There you go. Just poke it through that hole like that. That's fine. And the grey, I think I'm going to have to use a fid to get it through that hole, so I'll see you in a bit. There you go. I didn't want you to see me struggle because I'd only mess it up. A 2-minute job will take 5 minutes to get that sorted. So we've now got the black and grey cord coming through the little hole like that, and then going to the other end of the bracelet. Let's zoom out a bit. Oops, sorry. Zoom out a bit. And what we're going to do with the fid already here, I'm going to poke the cord through this very top black loop. Hang on, let's definitely zoom in for you. I'm going to poke the cord through that hole. You don't need one of these knotter's tools, but it does help. Oh. Hang on. Cool, what a palaver that was. That took ages to do. I was poking me tool through this loop here, this black loop, and I was struggling away, and then I found that I'd actually wrapped the cord around the tripod. So I was pulling and the whole tripod was rocking. I'm like, what is going on? Made a right pig's ear. But anyway, there you go. I've just poked the grey cord and the black cord through the very top loops of the bracelet, like that. Right, so I've got the bracelet on my wrist like this, and what I'm doing is nice and comfortable. It's a little bit, you know, some people like their bracelets really tight, some people like them really loose. I'm kind of more Goldilocks. Not too tight, not too loose, but just right. So, what I'm done, I've got it on, it's nice and comfortable. And then what I'm going to do is bring the other cords over, and where it joins up to the bracelet here, like this, that is my marker, that is my pinch point there. And I'm going to just undo the bracelet. I'm going to take it off my hand like this. Yeah. Right, and where I get my thumb and finger, this is where I'm going to do a scaffold knot. This is like the ball bit at the end of the bracelet. So all I'm going to do is get my grey cord, the top cord. I'm going to wrap it over once. I'm going to wrap it over the second time, and I'm going that way. And then all I'm going to do is poke the end through these two loops here, like that. Pull it together. Like that. There you go. Now what I'm going to do, snip and singe. Now you can do the 2-strand diamond knot. You can go fancy and do the miniature rose button knot. They're all on my channel. Or you can just do this nice simple scaffold knot, which is smaller than the other knots. It's kind of smaller and neater than the other knots. So that's what I'm going to go with. So there you go. This is your Thinline Mad Max paracord bracelet. It came out quite good actually. I do like doing the scaffold knot at the end because it's nice and small. But yeah, I snipped and singed, buried the cord inside the bracelet there, snipped it together, and it's come out pretty good. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I next upload. And in the meantime, YouTube would like you to watch this video up there, and I would like you to watch that playlist there. Your choice. Off you go, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.